This is an example where we're being asked to find the limit as x approaches infinity of the given equation. Whenever we're being asked to find the limit as x approaches infinity or x approaches negative infinity, that's really them also asking us to determine or find the horizontal asymptote, the long-term behavior of the graph. All those things mean the same thing. So when I'm doing this, and I can use any method I want, I use what I call the leading behavior method. And so what that means is you want to find the dominant term, the highest power of x on the top and the bottom of your fraction. So you locate that leading behavior, that dominant term. So this would be the limit as x approaches infinity. On the top, my highest power of x, my dominant term is this x to the fourth, because x to the fourth beats out x squared. So on top, I have 12x to the fourth. On the bottom, I also have x to the fourth going on. It beats out x to the third. So on the bottom, I'm looking at 7x to the fourth. Now what I do is I just decide, am I looking at a top-heavy situation, a bottom-heavy situation, or a balanced situation? Where is the dominant term for this graph? And so what we can see here is that we're actually in what's known as a balanced situation. The highest power of x occurs on the top and the bottom of our fraction here. And so what that tells us is basically these two things are growing at the exact same speed, the top and the bottom, but the top one is always going to get multiplied by 12, and the bottom one is always going to get multiplied by 7. And so what you're going to see is the answer to any balanced situation will always be those coefficients of your highest powers of x, of your dominant terms. So in this situation, our answer to the question would be the limit as x approaches infinity of our equation would be y equals 12 over 7. Remember that the answer to a limit problem is always a y value. That would also tell us that this is our horizontal asymptote, or the long-term behavior of our graph. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.